What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy T. We back again today with that $5.90 box that I promised you guys with from the double up from the last week's video. This box was $5.90. Like I said, we get these boxes from Soul Supremacy. Get the new subscribers to spill, man. These are nothing more, nothing less than just a mystery box. We cop them from Soul Supremacy every week. We battle them out on Sunday. First come, first serve. Complete mystery. I have no idea what's in this box at all. We just pay a random price, get random shoes, random sizes, random condition. Everything is authentic. Everything from Nike, Jordan, Adidas, all that good stuff. If you guys just stumbled up on this video, that's what these beater boxes are. It's a closed membership, so no new members have been added for a while. I have no idea when they're gonna be opening it up. But without further ado, we're gonna open up this one. Came to me all wild and crazy, like UPS already opened it up for me, but let's jump in and see what we got. 590 bucks. The last one was $665. So hopefully it was a real good box, man. PSN wise, a lot of good stuff in that box. This box right here, oh, no loose shoes. I do see one of my favorite boxes in here though. No loose shoes in here, all boxes. We got a 3-stripe Adidas box. Neighborhood box from Adidas. Size 8. I've never seen this shoe before. It appears to be dead stock. Neighborhood Adidas collab. Look like a gazelle. These are pretty all black shoes, pretty basic. Nothing too much to say about them. Dead stock. I don't know anything about these. I know when they do the collabs, they're a little bit more pricier, but I have no idea, man. Size 8 on the Gazelle Super Neighborhoods. I can read this. I can already see. I'm gonna get this out the way. We got a size 11 Adidas Tubular Shadow. Alright, they dead stock, so that's a good thing. Pretty nice shoe. Just a pretty basic running shoe. Adidas came out with some shadows. I've seen a lot of people wearing these at the gym. I don't know if they're comfortable or not. It's not my swag, but size 11 on the tubulars. DS box is in great shape. If it comes with a box, I always double box ship it. Just for the new people that's trying to cop something. We got a retro 4 box here in that good old 10.5. I haven't read the colorway, so I have no idea what we got. Okay, Motorsport 4s. These are in pretty good shape. No paint cracking. Not even too much creasing in the toe box. Still got some life left. Got a lot of stars down there on the bottom. These are pretty good. This is a pretty dope colorway. 10.5. I haven't had this shoe in my collection. I don't have the hang tag with these, unfortunately. I think I got some extra ones though. So if you cop it, I'll throw a hang tag in. I'm pretty sure I got a bunch of extra hang tags in from other beater boxes, from other shoes. Another retro 3, size 11, in that face box. Face boxes for me are hit and miss. Sometimes you get a dope shoe, sometimes you get super beaters. These are not beaters at all. These are fire. White cement 3s. Man, this is the 03 release, and these are in great shape. Check out the midsole. No cracking in the paint. Whoever had these took really good care of them. Very lightly worn. These still have a lot of left in them. Very clean retro 3. Very clean. A lot of times you get these and they got a lot of cracking, but these don't. Yeah, it's a pretty good pickup right here. Size 11 white cement 3s. I got the black cements somewhere in here. I think they're size 11 too. We still got 4 boxes left. Get these out the way. I got a 4.5 Jordan GS. First time having this shoe. Too bad it's not my size. These is dope, man. They got the Bel Air 5s. These still go for a pretty good penny too, even though they're kid sizes. You got the Bel Air 5s. You got a little dirt, gum or something on the bottom, but overall not bad. Size 4.5 for all the small feet people out there. These really don't even need too much of a cleaning. These are in really great shape. Oh, and I got the lace locks for them. So they will come with the lace locks in the box. Box is in good shape. I'm saving this one box. I got a retro 1 box, man. I'm saving it to the end. We got a Jordan 12 size 10. We got some wool 12s. Wool 12 size. Oh, this is a replacement box. These are a size 11. I just seen that on the tag in here. These are a size 11 wool 12. These are dope. My size too. I don't think I'm gonna be keeping these though, but these are very, very nice. This box has been pretty solid so far, man. Down in the comments below, let me know what you think about this box, man. $5.90. I feel like been doing me pretty good. Anything between, I don't know, I would say like $5.50 all the way up to pretty much like $8.50 really. The beater boxes have been solid for me, in my opinion. At least where I'm at, I've been having really good luck with them, and everything's been going really fast. I got another box in here. This is weird. This is a Jordan 12 wool size 11, so I don't know if the shoes got put in different boxes. It had to, because this is a woman's shoe. This is a size 11.5 in women's. So I don't know what happened with that. But I don't even know what these are called. But I do know these are a women's shoe. I'm not sure what the name of these are. Size 11.5 in women's. Pretty cool colorway actually. I don't know why they didn't come out with a men version of these. 11.5 for the women. I don't know what that translates to for the men. I know some men wear the women's shoes if they can get them big enough. But this is what I was waiting on. This is size 10 though. I need at least a 10.5 for me. Alright. Bread toe ones. OG. Bread toe ones. Believe it or not, this is my first time having these in hand. I got breads in my collection, of course, but not the bread toes. And if these would have been my size, I probably would have kept these for sure. These are dope, man. Got the extra laces in them. I tried to save the best shoe to last, and I got lucky with this because I had no idea what one it was. But bread toe ones, these are in great shape. Missing a few stars on the bottom though. If this camera is focused on them, I'm not sure if it will or not. But these are still pretty good shape, man. This got that good leather on there. That good leather. I got ones in the last box you guys probably seen. I got Game Royals in that last box, and you could definitely feel the difference in leather quality. I'm not a super big quality guy, but if I'm gonna spend $200 or $300 on some shoes, I need something that's gonna last. So that does it for the $5.90 box, man. What do y'all think about it? I'm liking it, man. These right here alone will cover a majority of the box. So I got white cements, DS shoes. I mean, it's a cool little box, not super expensive, but I should still do pretty well with it, man. Let me know down below what y'all think. What y'all rated between 0 to 10? What y'all think? Appreciate you guys watching. Thanks for coming back, man. Hopefully I have some more videos for you guys next week. They got a drop coming up soon, so I'm gonna try to get another box as always. And yeah, man, make sure you hit me up on Instagram, Twitter, eBay, everywhere at TGOTSOLE. If you DM me on Instagram, we growing, so it's getting harder for me to kind of get back to all the DMs as fast as I once was, but I definitely will do my best to respond to everybody, and definitely when it comes to the emails and stuff like that. So yeah, appreciate you guys watching. I'm out. Peace.